Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and set up VMware Fusion on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for install VMware Fusion. And the first link which will appear here will be from vmware.com/products/desktop hypervisor. So I'm going to click on this link and you will come to this web page. Now, if you can see here, it says VMware by Broadcom. So in the recent time, VMware was acquired by Broadcom. And why I'm giving you this information is because when you click on this download now button, it's going to redirect you to the Broadcom website. So I'm going to click on this download now button and you can see it redirects us to access.broadcom.com website. Now, in order to install VMware Fusion for the personal use, it's free to install, but you need to have the Broadcom account. Now, if you don't have the Broadcom account, don't worry. It's really simple to create a new account. You can just click on this register button. So this is the drop down menu for login, and when you click on register button, you just need to give your email ID here and then give the captcha and then just choose your password and you will be good to go. I have used my Gmail account for this and it also worked, so Gmail account can also work. Now, once you have created your Broadcom account and you have logged in with your Broadcom account, you will be able to see the interface something like this, right? So it's going to look like this. So in the next step, what you need to do is you need to click on this My Downloads section here, which is going to redirect us to this Downloads section. And in here, you just need to click on this link which says free software download available here, right? So click on this option which says free software downloads available here, and it's going to redirect us to this kind of web page. Here we can choose VMware and then we can search for Fusion here. And once you search for Fusion, you will be able to see this result which says VMware Fusion. So I'm going to click on this option. And once you click on the VMware Fusion option, you will be able to see a few versions which are available for VMware Fusion. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this option which says VMware Fusion 26H. So whatever is the top option which is available, just select that and then click on this link under releases. So now you are redirected to this page for 26H1. And in here, you can see this option is grayed out and download option is grayed out. The reason for this is because you need to click on the terms and conditions link. So let me click on the terms and conditions link, and then you can choose one of these options. I'm going to choose the English option. And here you need to download these terms and conditions, and you need to read those before you agree on the terms and conditions, right? So Broadcom wants you to read those terms and conditions, and that's why if you don't click on that link, it's not going to allow you to download. So once you click on that link, you can see now I can just check this checkbox, and as soon as I check this checkbox, this download is available, right? So don't miss this point. You need to click on the terms and conditions, and most probably you need to read all those terms and conditions before you check this checkbox. And once you have selected the terms and conditions, you will see that this option is now not grayed out. So let me click on this option in front of this VMware Fusion for Intel based or Apple Silicon Macs, right? So let me click on this download button, which is going to start the download of this VMware Fusion DMG file. So at the time of making this video, this file is around 481 megabytes. So once this file is downloaded, let me click on this file and let me minimize the browser. So you can see this file looks like this. And in here, you just need to double click on this Fusion icon. And once you click on this icon, you will see this kind of warning which says VMware Fusion is the app downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I want to open it. So I'm going to click on open here. And before opening, it's going to ask you for your Mac's password, which you use to log into your Mac operating system. So just give that and then click on OK. And it's going to start the installation of VMware Fusion. And you can see the installation window has been started. So here you can read these terms and conditions and then click on agree and then click on done, which is going to start this kind of VMware Fusion window. Also, it says unable to access accessibility for optimal performance of your keyboard and mouse inside your virtual machine. Give VMware Fusion access to your system's accessibility. So I'm going to click on OK here, and then I'm going to click on Open System Settings. And here I'm going to provide VMware Fusion the accessibility permissions, and then I'm going to give my Mac's password and then press enter. And once this is done, I'm going to come to my installation window, and here I can click on continue option. So this installation is finished at this point. So VMware Fusion looks something like this. From here you can create a custom virtual machine, or you can select get Windows from Microsoft, or you can create a virtual machine on a remote server, right? So you can choose one of these options. If I choose this option, I will be able to create my custom virtual machine. I can even drag and drop the ISO file which I want to install virtually, and it's going to help you to install that. So now VMware Fusion is installed on my Mac operating system. At this point, you can close this window also, and you can unmount or eject this from here, and VMware Fusion is installed. If you close this window, then you can always go to your apps and then search for VMware Fusion, and it's going to start this VMware Fusion from there also, right? So from here, I can click on new, and then you will see that kind of window here, right? So this is how you can install VMware Fusion on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.